Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at been and gone. Both words, of course, used as the past participles or the third form of the verb to go. But both have very different meanings. Have a look at these two sentences. First one, my wife's gone to London today. And the second sentence, my wife's been to London today. They both mean different things. My wife's gone to London today. She caught the early morning train and she has not returned. My wife's been to London today. She has returned. She went, came back, and now she's back home. Claudia has gone to Italy. Either she's there now or she's on her way. Have you ever been to Italy? Ever in your life? So there we are. English grammar, been and gone, easy peasy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.